Hey guys, welcome to Compound Body once again today I've got Daniel here with me. So today we're going to be doing the hanging leg lifts. Now this is a little bit more of an advanced exercise just because you got to develop, other muscle groups in order to be able to properly hang from the bar as well as be able to lift your legs while being stable. So he's an athlete, he's a basketballer, and this is one of the workouts in his routine. So if you guys are sports athletes and you guys want to actually develop your core strength, it's actually a great exercise to implement. If you're a CrossFit athlete or you're just someone looking for a more rigorous, more robust type of exercise to include in your regimen. So now what we're going to have Daniel do is basically perform the exercise while we do some talking. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is grab the bar naturally and just be ready and stable. And as you can see, his core is properly braced and he begins the movement. And as you can see, he lifts the leg to a 90 degree. As you can see, the muscles are firing up. Muscles are lengthening and they're contracting maximally, therefore developing very efficiently. All right, guys, and thanks for watching our video today. Don't forget to leave your likes and your comments in the comment section. Hit us up with any comments or anything that you want to see next. Also, any exercises or ask your questions. Don't forget to reach out to us on social media or just in the comment section. And you could also visit our website for anything that you want. We have meal plans, training plans. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. All right, guys, and we will see you next time. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Boom! All right, guys, eat, sleep, lift, play, and have a great day.